Hello viewers, welcome to another exciting episode of Big Dreamer, powered by Opulent Decor by Haryana Handloom and Muskan Spices. Well, yes, the journey of today by this charismatic personality will definitely make you believe that when we dream of something, it definitely turns true. Because she is not just fierce, she's absolutely bold and commanding. An inspiration that she sets throughout the state is commendable. Well, yes, ladies and gentlemen, all the lovely viewers, we have the most inspiring lady whom I have ever come across, Sukriti Patnaik. Well, ma'am, आपका introduction, I think you are somebody who needs no introduction, but still I have a request, एक छोटा सा brief introduction to our lovely audience.
Okay, first of all, namaskar. Thank you so much, Sushri. Thank you, Shefali, for having me with you here today. I am Sukriti Patnaik. I am the MD, the founder of Indulge, the salon. It's a chain of salons across Odisha. And yes, I mean, that's my dream, my passion, my baby. And I intend to grow it to 100 salons very soon.
Absolutely. Well, when we talk about Indulge the salon, the most talked about, the most reviewed, and the kind of vibes that we get when it comes to beauty industry, how difficult was it to establish yourself in a state like Odisha?
Okay, so I feel wherever there is a gap, there is an opportunity.
Absolutely.
Right? So when we started in the year 2010, that was almost 10 years back, if you don't consider the corona year. So yes, we started almost 10 years back, and that time there was no family salon or unisex salon concept itself in Bhubaneswar or Odisha. So when I came from London, so I'm completely trained in the UK.
Okay.
I did all my trainings from Ash Kumar, Saks, AOFM.
Names.
Yes, so all the big brands I have been trained by them, and I was so confident when I came ki yes, because Odisha had that gap.
Absolutely.
People were very unhappy. Even my own wedding,
Right.
okay, it was a disaster. The makeup was a disaster. The service was a disaster. I was completely like a white paint. So I thought, no, I need to do something different from my state. And that time there was no brand as such from Odisha. But right now, I think Indulge is a brand recognized all over the country in the beauty fraternity. And yes, I fixed the gap, and a dream that started with just one salon. We have 15 salons right now, and
2 under process.
2 under construction, and 2 just got signed. So yes, 19 so far.
Well, yes, quite a journey, I would say.
Thank
well,
you.
ma'am, you from the very beginning was very sure ki if at all I want to do something is just into the beauty industry, or you had a plan to become an entrepreneur, and then you decided that I'll get into beauty industry and stuff.
No, I actually got very bored. So that's how it was. So I'm actually an electronics engineer.
Okay.
I'm a very high performer throughout my student life, and I got placed with Infosys. I was working in the IT sector, very process oriented, very structured, and I thank Infosys for training me so well, because I really got to learn a lot. Okay,
Absolutely.
so that helped me. But when I was in London, I was doing like 10 hours, 12 hours of desk job. So I'm more of a people person. Like I love to interact with people. I love to help people. So I think every entrepreneur has that thing inside them that they really need to help someone.
Absolutely.
Right? So that satisfaction is completely different. So that's how I started my journey. I got so bored. I thought, this is not my calling. What is it that I really love? So my husband is a guy who actually inspired me. He told me that, what do you love? So I said, it's a secret, don't tell anybody. He said, it's no secret. I carry your shopping bags all the time, so it's no secret for me. And then he said, if you really like, getting pampered, why don't you pamper other people? So I said, yes, it's a gap in the market, and why not? I mean, you start something new. If you're really good at it, then you will definitely excel in it.
Wonderful. Well, we get quite a lot of insight about you now. Moving ahead to my next question, ma'am. During pandemic, it's actually a kind of trouble that every entrepreneur has been.
Right.
The business has been affected. So,
Right.
what was your call and how do you take it?
Yes, I mean, I think it is the worst of times. I mean, compared to the kind of effect it has had not only on the lives of people but the livelihood of people.
Absolutely.
So the livelihood is something I think it has even like affected more people than what Corona has impacted, because at the end of it I have to think how I need to pay my rent, right? I need to think how I need to take care of my staff. My employees, because last year almost 6 months, this year almost 4 months, 3 months of lockdown plus 1 month of Corona.
Right.
So it's horrendous, I must say. And but we have to be positive. We have to look at all the avenues that are available. And touch wood, the best part is people, like the salon industry is something, because as long as you have hair, the business will run. Right? So it's a recession proof industry. So that is something which has helped us, and the moment it opens up, you've seen that people are there. People do come, and the business again, it starts running really fast.
Now this clearly shows me that ma'am is absolutely very, very optimistic, because the way you put it, it really shows how optimistic.
Entrepreneurship is all about that. Trust me. You must have seen a lot of forwards on the Facebook also, that you fall, you get up, you fall, you get up.
And that's how life
yes,
goes on.
the resilience is very high. So I have got this huge bandwidth for success and failure. It goes hand in hand.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, ma'am, success. How would you describe your success?
Okay. So my success, I feel, I believe I was a frog in a well before. So right now, the kind of exposure I have had, okay, I have worked with Bollywood stars.
Yes.
I have worked with Hollywood star, Ashley Judd, she was here. I have worked with very eminent personalities. And I have worked with, because of me, almost 200 people, my staff, my employees,
right,
their house is running, right? What better you can do? I remember guys who joined me with a salary, with a minimum wage, right? And they are earning 30,000, 40,000 salary right now. Okay, so that is the kind of satisfaction you get. Believe me, guys, there's no bigger satisfaction in this world than helping someone out. People think money is everything. I think money is a bonus. Of course it is. But the help that you do, when you uplift people, when you uplift the society, when you make a difference, I think that
optimum
is
level of satisfaction.
Yes, that is my
notion of success.
Yes, that is how I measure my success.
Absolutely.
So when I open 100 salons, maybe I'll be employing thousands of employees.
Exactly.
So that is where I want my Odisha to be out there.
Lovely.
Yeah.
What a wonderful thought.
Yeah.
Well, ma'am, being into the fraternity, we technically and we officially believe that we do have competitors.
Right.
I won't ask you the names of the competitors, but
Right.
which is the biggest threat that you think does Indulge possess, or something that we can improvise on?
Right. With any business, competition will always be there, right? So when I started, there was not a single salon in my vicinity. But everywhere I open a salon, if you count, there'll be minimum more than 20 to 30 salons in a 1 kilometer radius.
Right.
So that is what, but then that is what uplifts the market. So what I was making 10 years back, I'm making much more now, because my competitors have helped me grow the market.
Absolutely.
So that's number one. Second thing is, you have to be innovative. Right? If you become stagnant, then you are bound to fail. You're bound to shut doors, because if last 10 years, there's so many brands that have shut doors in the salon industry in Bhubaneswar. Big brands, will not name them, but yes, even I have acquired a few of those places where they could not run it, and I have acquired them, and we have an Indulge, right? So that has also taken place. So yes, competition is good, and but you never know, right? You never know what new innovation someone else will come up with. So I'm always on my toes. I say ki I'm in a job which has 24/7. So I don't there's not a minute. I wake up and my brain starts working on Indulge. While I'm shutting my eyes down, I'm thinking about Indulge.
Absolutely. And now she brings here the next question which I want to ask is, as an entrepreneur in the industry, what are the activities or which areas would definitely scratch your time to invest into?
Sorry, I didn't get that question.
Basically, if you want to invest your time, as you talked about innovation and creative.
Okay, my time. Where I want to focus on?
Yes.
Okay, I would like to focus on training. I believe our our biggest strength is again the people, right? Because they are the people who are actually attending to the customers. So I want to invest I do actually invest all my time on training. I'm very hands-on, okay, because I'm in a technical domain.
Right.
I do makeup myself. I know how to do every other services, facial, hair spa, pedicure, manicure. I train to do all these things.
So
when I was
grooming is
London.
something that you would
Yes.
also suggest other entrepreneurs
Yes,
to,
yes.
if
they have to work on the training their
Right.
staff and training themselves. A lot of people get into the beauty industry thinking there's a lot of money, right? They think, okay, I'll just set up a salon and
one
it's going
time
to run.
investment
It's
and
going to run.
returns. Yeah.
No, you have to have the technical expertise, the domain expertise. You need to know what the difference between a moisturizer and a face mask and a pedicure, cuticle cream, and like there are like thousands of products that are there. So these things you need to know. So I believe domain expertise is very important, and I want to spend most of my time on training my staff, because that will make all the difference.
Okay, so as we know that Indulge provide various services, and
Right.
we actually are all rounder in all these services. So we would like to know some USPs that Indulge has it
Okay.
within it.
Right. So our USP is bridal makeup. We do a lot of bridal makeup. Like I said, I'm trained from the best in the industry. So I travel the world. I pick up products which are not even available in India. So those are the kind of level of like expertise that we have. So bridal makeup, of course. And then we have brands like Dermalogica,
Right.
PH. Those are very exclusive with Indulge, and they are world famous, world popular. So we do skin mapping, we do microzone treatments, we do signature facials, we do. PH is a brand which is completely chemical free.
Right.
So
that's
start
exclusive
using
to Indulge.
Yes, it's completely exclusive
Lovely.
to Indulge, and you start using the shampoo. Conditioner. Your hair fall actually reduces in the first 2-3 sittings. So a lot of things are there, I think.
Well, ma'am, every success story has underwent some or the other failures.
Mhm.
So what has been your biggest fear, or
Okay.
maybe the memory which you relate when it comes to a bit of failures which has brought you to this success?
Okay, I did sell my wedding gold ornaments to
Okay.
start a salon. I was so
Okay.
passionate about it. Okay, I did not think twice. I got carried away. Okay, so I did my second outlet, which I opened in Cuttack. Okay, so that time my baby was 3 months old. Okay, and I thought, no, let me go, because I was so excited because my Pala Heights outlet was doing so
Right.
well. So I spent a lot of money. I sold all my ornaments just so that I could, set up that particular shop. And but then I couldn't give time because as a mother you have to give time to your
Absolutely.
daughter. So it did well, but it didn't go to the level which I was expecting. So I think that's where I believe you should not hurry into things. You should always
Take time and
gauge.
progress.
Yeah. You have to see what you can do and cannot do. So that's one thing I always regret. Why did I get? I should have given time to my kid first, and then
progress.
moved on. Yeah, right. Like I'm doing right now. Even though I have 2 kids, but they're settled and
Slow and steady wins
slow
the
and
race.
steady, yes.
All right, so ma'am, as you talked about investment, so right now currently we have near about 17 outlets,
Yes.
as you mentioned.
Yes.
So how are we generating funds or investments, and how is it going right now?
Okay. So most of my salons are franchise.
Okay.
So,
we
they
have
are the
other
people.
owners.
Yes, they actually invest in the brand. See, that's the trust that we have developed through the years. So most of my franchisees were my clients who were in the salon who used to come as a customer for last 3 to 5 years. So they've seen the consistency in the
Right.
operations and the kind of quality that we take care of.
And then they extended hand
and then they said, I want to open a salon. So that way I'm very, very blessed
Absolutely.
that I have that confidence from my clients.
Ma'am, are you also into social work? And as you already mentioned, you love helping people.
Yes.
So we would like to know something, a sneak peek
Yes.
into your social service.
Yes. Okay, I believe charity is not something you need to talk about, but I believe that women, I'm a big champion for women empowerment. So I'm also the convener. I'm actually heading the ICC, Indian Chamber of Commerce Women Entrepreneurship Committee.
Lovely.
And under my leadership, it has grown for the first time in Orissa, 101 women entrepreneurs
Wow.
under one platform. So I'm actually, making sure that we give the right kind of platform for all the women entrepreneurs to grow together, to network, to have a more exposure towards the business community, and maybe who knows, someday we will have a Tata or a
Absolutely.
villa from our women community very
Lovely.
soon. So that's what my
What a
thing
wonderful
is.
thought.
Yeah.
And ma'am, last question, when it comes to technicalities, how do you manage your PR and marketing?
PR and marketing, I'm really poor with that. You know why? Because this particular industry is more of a word of mouth industry. Trust me. You know, how much ever you say discount, how much ever you put a billboard or anything, but people always look at the quality. So for me, trust me, I mean, you may not have seen me market in any which ways, right? I don't even have a proper digital page or something. People are there. But that has really helped me, the word of mouth thing. But yes, going further, because now that I have the right numbers,
Right.
so when I reach 20, I'm going to, like go all out, because I'm going to open at least 50 salons in entire Odisha.
All right, so here comes my most favorite part of Big Dreamer, that is the chit chat. So yes, everybody get ready for the chit chat, and this is powered by Opulent Decor by Haryana Handloom and Muskan Spices. So ma'am, for this I won't be giving you a lot of time, and no second thoughts.
No.
Good to go?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
A louder yes.
Yes!
All right, so on that spirit,
Yes.
was it a love marriage or arranged marriage?
Love marriage.
Absolutely, well, it seems so. And what was your last anniversary gift by your husband?
Swarovski set.
Okay. and what does he call you? प्यार से.
Kuts.
कुछ ऐसे ही बुलाते हैं एकदम प्यार से.
Kuts, come here.
All right. So, which color would you prefer? Red, black, white?
Red.
Red. Date with makeup on your face or without the makeup on your face?
Makeup on my face, guess it makes me confident.
Confident. All right. So, how would you define yourself in just one word?
Intelligent.
So, what's your biggest strength?
I forgot all that. Very happily married.
Happily married.
Yes.
So, what's your biggest strength?
Biggest strength, my husband.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Weakness?
I'm a foodie. I love to eat.
Lovely. That's a good habit. That's
Yes.
not a weakness.
Yeah, but then
I
tend
really
to-
admire people who love eating. What has been the most life-changing moment?
Starting indulge. Yes.
And absolutely. Who's your best friend for the time, recent time?
My husband.
Absolutely. A beauty product that you're love with, you're in love with.
I just love the Kryolan Foundation Stick FS28.
All right. Has there been any moment where you have felt dished, or have you dished anyone emotionally, intentionally, unintentionally?
Yes, I mean that's a part of life that happens. You learn. So, ditched in the sense, I mean, you actually choose your priorities. So that's where I think it always makes a difference.
Okay. So have you had a heartbreak, or you were hurt?
Not really. I was very ambitious throughout my life. So I've given heartbreaks, but not so far yet.
Very honest. Well, what's your favorite dish?
Chicken biryani.
And the last movie you watched?
Last movie, I'm not sure, but I watched a movie called Kapanhof.
Okay.
It's a Turkish movie, and I think it's lovely.
Which genre of movies do you prefer the most?
I like sci-fi,
Okay.
and also I like social drama.
Social drama. So here we get some really honest and pat-patat answers from Sukirti ma'am, and I hope you enjoyed the episode as
Oh
well.
yes.
Moving on. One day you have no work, you have no TV, you have no mobile phone, you're just locked up in a room. What would you prefer to do?
In a room.
Yep.
Oh God, I would love to
Sleep.
No, I mean, if you don't have a mobile, you don't have a TV, you don't have anything else, what can you do? Either you can sleep or you can think. So I'm a thinker.
Right.
I get inside myself.
Alright.
So I never get bored. I just,
Keep
I'm
thinking,
yes,
and
so I do
lovely.
that.
Favorite Bollywood actor?
Vikrant Masi for right now. It keeps changing. So right now, Vikrant Masi.
Favorite actress?
I like, I mean, for forever it was Sridevi.
पिया के घर इठलाती बल खाती वो सुरमई नैना छलकाती वो
When I was small. But right now I feel Pariniti Chopra is quite talented.
Absolutely.
मैं परेशान 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 दिलकशी का समा
Like I believe human beings always put themselves first. I think it's a very instinctive thing. But the moment you put another person before yourself,
Right.
I think that's love.
Absolutely. One line about this beautiful state, Odisha.
Odisha, I think Odisha is pristine.
Absolutely.
And the people are very innocent, and I believe they don't hurt other people. So I think it's one of the best places.
You like driving?
I used to drive when I was in
Any
UK.
favorite model of car?
I'm a Mercedes fan. I own one, so I'm a Mercedes fan. Yeah.
All right, so ma'am, how was the experience? We would like you to share 3 lines about Utkal Updates and Big Dreamer.
Okay, so I think it's a next generation bit to watch out, and Sushri, I know that she is very, very enterprising and very, very, like she's out there. So I think she's going to make a big difference to this. And Shefali, hats off to you. Lovely moderating, and I've known you for a long time. You're a great. I mean, you're a model, and you are also taking this hosting to a new level right now. So I wish you all the best. I'm sure Utkal Updates will reach new heights, and very soon you will have 100 such episodes.
All right, so that was quite a journey and quite interaction with the very, very beautiful Suketi Patnaik. I hope everybody enjoyed the episode. And ma'am, we have a small gift from Muskan Spices. Thank you for giving us such commendable time
This
of
is
yours.
lovely. Thank you, Muskan Spices. Thank you so much, and thank you, Sushri, for this lovely gift. I'm sure I'm going to relish it.
Alright, so that was quite an interesting episode. I hope every one of you enjoyed. So keep watching. And this is Big Dreamer, powered by Opulent Decor by Haryana Handloom and Muskan Spices. Thank you, everyone.